Hi everyone. We'll show how to create a playlist for the curated series. This is a brand new installation. It's completely empty. So we'll just go here and add a new playlist. Title doesn't matter. You can change it later. So we have to add some tracks in here. So maybe you have some, I'll just put these files here, just drag and drop. And I can also go to a browser, say this one, and either drag or copy and go back in here and paste this track. So insert it here. Okay, so we have a YouTube track, two IF files. You can add pretty much whatever you want. These are all IF. Here's a WAV. Here's an MP3. Okay, and then we can add also Bandcamp tracks. So for example, let's say I found this Bandcamp track. This is a track, this is not an album. I can do the same. Again, copy the link, go here, paste the link, Command V, and the track is here, right? So let's say I have this playlist. I want to publish it, so I'll go to the share button. You can see this share option here, or here is the same, and this model comes up, and I can put rhyme, some tags, and this is the description, and then make it unlisted. And if I click share, what will happen is that Crates will try to publish this playlist, but it needs public audio source links for each track. So the track that are already Bandcamp or YouTube, they're already public. For the files that I have, it will go and find public sources that other users will be able to stream to listen to the tracks. So it will do this automatically. So let's do it. Share. You see here it says importing tune, searching for Anne Avrin. It found it. Searching for DJHD, it found it. But it says I didn't find a public audio source for NAP Primer Bale Tech. Please add public audio source before sharing so that others can listen. Are you sure you want to continue? Okay, so this means we didn't publish yet because we didn't find a source for that. Now what we can do is either remove it or find a source for that. One way to do this is we can go and click actions and search on Google. And you see here, that's the reason it didn't find it, because in Bandcamp it's not Primer and Nata, and it's not the same. So let's go here, confirm is the correct. Okay, it is the same track. So what we can do is either, take this, put it here, and then, remove that and put that in their place. That's one way to do it. The other way to do it is to merge the two tracks together, but we don't need to make it complicated. So now we can inspect. If you click here and edit, you see that this is the primary audio source that from the IE file, but next to it there is a Bandcamp audio source that Crates already found. This is the one that is going to share in the playlist. Same for this Anne Avrin. You can click here to verify it as well. You can click to the next track as well to see. This is a YouTube. This is an IF with a Bandcamp as well. Wait, we saw that. This is, yeah, okay. This we just added, and this is a Bandcamp tune already. Now the only thing that we need to do is maybe fill in the genres here. So for example, Grime 2026. Oh wait, we can do the label as well. So one way that Crates can fill the data for you is if you press Get Info, it will search, as you see here, for, you see, in Found Pineapple Records. So I think we're ready to go now. We will share, unlisted, update. Now all the sources are in place. We can copy the public link, URL, go here, and you can see our playlist. Now if I change the tracks or remove some tracks, let's say I remove this one and this one, and because I'm not sure, because I can go again to share playlist and update, and you can go here and see that the tracks now are 4, the duration changed. By the way, to add a comment that it will appear while others are listening to the track, you can right click anywhere in the waveform area. So for example here, add a comment. You can write whatever you want, and then if you want to add a hyperlink, you can highlight where your hyperlink wants to appear, do that, and add the comment. And as it's playing, it will appear like this. If you click here, you'll be able to see it. If you want to remove a comment or edit, you can do it like that. So there you go. After you have added the comments in the tracks, you should update the playlist again. Pretty much that's it. If you take this link and you share it with somebody else, for example, here I have another, this is my real installation here, and I just copy paste this link in here. I can import this playlist, assuming it's your friend, and this is how they're going to see it, and I can play it. So this, the second installation, is my real installation. I have 2 crates running. You can do that. This is the one assuming it's you, and the other is assuming it's a friend of yours. All right, so when we have your assets as well, we will update here, the images, and it will look like this basically, and it will appear here. That's it.